Okay, so in case you're wondering, there is traffics everywhere. And I'm in Wish, the UK. Oh, in real life. And in this video game. And now, I've gotta know what to do. Because the only thing I'm gonna do is smash these cars. That's a big smash. How is it still going? I'm gonna make this car go fast like Mission Impossible. If you thought I'm done, well, you ain't done yet. You ain't done. Okay. This is how Russian vehicles look like. And also this is how you drive a vehicle. And wham them over. Now you are home. What you didn't see news. I didn't see some chaos of this truck. And then you heard some engine sounds. Then you see this. And then they see you and they just destroy your house. Like, ow! And they'd be like, not my son. And then they'd be like, yes, your son. But then, it was a trick. It's not actually happening. But this is a literal crash down on cars. And then you have to hide. You have to hide for 5 minutes and then be like, is this a joke? And then they say it was not. And then they say whatever. And now I'm keeping all my speed. I don't think this truck get smashed. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait. I get some faster. Like this real car. Too much stink. Yes. Okay. Use this up. Infinite boost. Turn. Left. The wheels ain't flying off, man. Let's go. Your car got smashed. Now it looks like a spiked seat and a car in it as well. A random guy's car like this. And then this was cost $28 million like this. And pounds. Oh, I need a truck. I kinda need it. I can't just drive it. Oh, like, you want it to play these types of games? Okay. Except I'm already smashing it. They're all fine. This is how this. Well, this is the end of Russia. Okay, what's is happening? And now we're going to this video and goodbye. Hold on. No! Actually, I can just